Castle?
Honey, your hands are freezing.
Go touch the snow then.
Okay, go play in the snow with your hands.
Go touch it with your hands.
Oh, Cassius, you stink.
You actually, to make a sandcastle, you have to touch the snow, see, and it's cold.
Okay, let's go inside. You want to go inside?
Let's go inside.
Mikey's at the end of his rope. He's touched one too many. Okay, go ahead, Mike. I'll follow you. Oh, Dada's trying to retrace his tracks. Which, I didn't realize this, but he starts with a different foot than I do. So I got confused last time. Did you know that, Mike? You started with a different foot?
You have a goofy foot?
I have a goofy, no, you have a goofy foot. Daddy's gonna hold you. Those are Mom and Dad's azaleas. Yep, the azaleas. That one actually is a nice size. Oh, I'm falling. There's our car. Mom and Dad's Avalon are totally covered. Okay.